Alright, so we're going to be talking about line graphs. What is a line graph? A line graph is a graph that uses lines to connect individual points. And a line graph can also feature more than one line. So this one right here is a single line graph, and then this one is a double line graph. The single line graph is showing the temperature in New York City over the time span of 6 days. And then the double line graph is showing the average snowfall in New York City and Chicago over a 12-month period. So New York is the red, and then Chicago is the blue or purple color. What types of data is best to use with line graphs? That would be change in value over a short or long period of time. Some examples could be temperature, sales, or height. For the example, it would be plot the number of muffins sold Monday through Sunday. So we have the title right up at the top, which is muffins sold. And then we have the number of muffins sold along the y-axis, and then along the x-axis we have the days of the week, so Monday through Sunday, and then the blue line represents the muffins sold. For an example, Monday would be 5 muffins were sold, and then for Wednesday it would be 5 also, and then Saturday would be 13 muffins sold. And then what are some common misuses of line graphs? This would be not spacing out your variables even enough. This can cause the line to look like it took a bigger or shorter jump than it really did. This kind of goes along with having variables going up by different intervals. This can cause issues. And then also forgetting your labels can be confusing depending on what your data is. And then also, you don't want to start your first point at 0 on the graph. You want to start it wherever your first variable is.